everybody, and welcome. As we like to do every week, we like to take a look at the past week's market activity and then kind of bounce around the market and look for something to trade. Obviously, the trading week starts tomorrow on Tuesday instead of Monday. Today was a holiday, so it's a little day later than normal, but no big deal. Nothing's changing. So let's look at the market. Here's the S&P 500. You can see essentially for the last, let's say, 3 weeks, it's pretty much gone nowhere. Up and down, but really going nowhere. And also volatility is very low down here at 3%. It also shows up here on my chart. If we look at the NASDAQ, always looks fairly similar. Again, same basic story of the last few weeks, pretty much gone nowhere. Again, volatility also very low at 6. And the Russell, also fairly the same, although this one looks like it's on the low side of its range over the last 3 weeks. But again, been kind of in a range. This is just on the low side of that range. Volatility a little higher on this one at 19, but still nothing huge. So what are we going to trade this week? Well, we're going to go into the oil business, black gold, Texas tea. And the way we're going to do that is USO, which is the United States Oil Fund, as you see up here. Now this has been bouncing around for the last couple of months, let's say, but you can see volatility here is pretty high, on the high side of where it's been for the last 6 months. Way up here at 57, which is a number we love to see. So we're going to put on an Iron Condor trade because volatility is high. We're going to hope it stays in a range. And we're going to go over to the trade page. We're going to go over here to 46 days, which tomorrow will be perfect for us. It'll be 45 days, which is our perfect number. I've saved us the trouble of setting this whole thing up and just done it here. So the stock price is at 68 right now. We're going to go down here. We're going to go $7 down on the put side. We're going to go $7 up on the call side and sell the call and the put, and then buy the call and put that are $2 away to make this a $2 wide Iron Condor. As long as we're collecting at least 60 cents or more on this trade, that is a good trade. So, all things being equal, market opens tomorrow right here and everything stays the same. We're going to set up this trade $7 up and down and create a $2 wide Iron Condor. If we're not collecting at least 66 cents or more, that's when we start pulling sides in. When I say that, that means either the puts go up higher or the calls go down lower. That's pulling the sides in. You can adjust them the same way, like $1 at a time on each side. You can move them closer, meaning this will go to 62.60. This will go to 74.76. Or if you have an idea on what direction you think it might go, you can pull one side closer. You can pull the call sides closer and skew this to the downside, meaning you think it's going down. If you think it's going up, you'll pull the put side closer, and that'll be skewing it to the upside, making the assumption that it's going to go up from there. But again, that is our trade for tomorrow. That is USO, and that is how you adjust to get the price you want based on the assumption you're looking at. As someone that's gone through the process, I know that making real trades is scary for many reasons, not the least of which is, where do I even start? I mean, there's so many roadblocks to making trades. What stock should I trade? What direction should I choose? Which options am I buying or selling? The list seems endless, which is exactly why I created my option income alert system. This might sound silly, but I wish I had me by my side when I started. I mean, my first option course cost me $6,000. But I'm giving you the chance to trade side by side with me in the most accessible and affordable way possible. At the same time, you get to save yourself the thousands of hours and the thousands of dollars it took me to get here. Listen, I've been where you are now, and I know how hard it is to get started. It's scary. I mean, why? Because fear of the unknown. But I'm here to steer you until that fear is gone and you're comfortable enough to trade on your own and create your own residual income stream. So please, take advantage of me while you can. So how do we turn your knowledge into actual income with as little risk as possible? Well, the way we do that is by offering up the option alert for only $1 for the first month. Now, the option alert itself is going to send out 2 to 3 trades in real time as I make them via text or email directly to you. And as I close these trades, you'll also get those closing alerts in real time as well. Now, if you want an even better opportunity, the Option Pro, which is the exact same alert service as the Option Income, offers up all the content I've ever made, courses, webinars, etc. Over $2,000 worth of options courses for only $19 for the first month. So the way we're going to sign up for either of these is by going to sharpertrades.com, Clicking on the product section, both of these alerts will show up. Depending on which one you prefer, you'll type in these coupon codes and you'll either get the option alert for $1 for the first month or the option pro for only $19 for the first month. Look forward to seeing you all over there soon. Take care.